Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to Biology 101. So, a lot of you have been messaging me since a very long time that, sir, do something about English speaking students, do something about students who can't understand Hindi properly. So, we try to attend your lectures, but we are not comfortable with the Hindi language or the bilingual language. So, I present to you the best on YouTube, Dr. Neela Bokore ma'am, and I would like to share a story also. I had to teach plant physiology, mastohypothesis once, and I was looking for videos on YouTube, and my go-to videos for every such a topic or every such concept which I had to explain were Dr. Neela Bakore's ma'am videos. So, hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi Anand, I'm good. How are you?
Great, ma'am. Great, ma'am. It's a great pleasure to speak to you finally. And I have been a huge fan and I have followed you religiously for several topics. For the topics I've taught to students, I've seen a lot of your videos.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, how is your journey at an academy so far? How are you liking it?
It has been a very short period so far. It has been like just 1 or 2 weeks when the procedure actually started, and I've just taken 3 classes on YouTube.
Okay.
So far, so good. Everything went very well. And it took little time to understand how things work and the technology part, but the end result was good. We had a couple of sessions where I interacted with the students. So that was a good thing, a good experience also.
Great, ma'am. It would be definitely a great experience for students finally studying you live, studying from you live. So it would be an amazing experience. So, guys, ma'am would be teaching you on our new channel that is Let's Crack NEET UG English, a complete channel dedicated for students who are more comfortable in English language, be it bilingual students. Obviously, majority of the students are comfortable in both the language. So if you want to study from ma'am, you can subscribe to our new channel that is Let's Crack NEET UG English. The link is given in the description, and we will be completing the entire NEET syllabus on YouTube on this channel also, and you will be studying under the expertise guidance of Dr. Neela Bukure, ma'am. So, ma'am, what plans do you have for the students over here?
Like before I share the plans, let me just tell you one thing
Yeah, ma'am.
to you as well as to the students. Like when you work on a particular thing, and when you see that somebody gets benefited out of your work and reaches such a height where you are right now, like you are
Yeah,
one of the top educators on an academy, and when you say that you have used my video lectures and they have helped you, it gives immense satisfaction. So this is one thing. And for the students, like I would like to tell two important things. One is when we study biology, I don't know for what reason, people have said that biology needs to be mugged up, which is actually not true. There are only 5-7% things which we need to remember or mug up, like maybe years or name of the scientist. Other than that, there are all processes which need to be understood. So if you understand a process, you don't have to revisit that thing. Once you have understood it, you're set. Only thing is you have to practice questions and try to answer those. This is one part. And the second part is the students who prefer pure English, that is good. But the students who are comfortable in bilingual, like Hindi English mix, or even Hindi, the language, English language, which I use to explain biology is very, very simple. Because I don't know whether the students are aware of this or not. I have done my schooling, the initial part of my schooling till 8th in Hindi medium. So if I can
okay.
learn English, everybody else can learn. It's just a language. And it is better that they switch to Hindi English and English, because once you get into a medical college, nobody is going to help you with bilingual. Everything is going to be in
Exactly.
English. Most of the good books are in pure English. So it is better that you adapt to the language. It is just a language, and our
Yeah,
focus is not going to be the language. The focus is going to be the biology which we need to understand. So
definitely.
this is what it is, and I always try to make the subject easier for students by linking it with our daily life thing. So this is how I have been teaching so far, And this is what I
Yeah.
plan to continue further.
Yeah. And the best thing about you, matlab, that I like most is your videos are so crisp and precise, and it is like you are giving guidelines to someone. Matlab, you are telling you पहले ऐसे जाना है, then you have to go right. matlab, it is so flawless and effortless. matlab, that makes it very easy to understand. You don't even have to put in an effort to understand because it is so sequential. matlab, you get the gist of it. matlab, even I struggle to teach. matlab, I have not been a good teacher. matlab, and explaining something that you know is the most difficult part so far as I have understood, and the way you teach is so flawless. It like the student, suppose if I have a question in my mind, it will automatically get answered. matlab, you don't get doubts regarding it. So it is so amazing, such an amazing experience studying from you, ma'am.
And
And I think
I'm really thankful, Anand, that you're talking so clearly. You are at a level where people admire you, and you appreciating somebody else is like, a remarkable thing. But as I told you, that the lectures or biology which I try to teach is going to be very simple. And this has been my effort to make it so simple. And anything which is simple, which you understand, that fear of the subject goes away. Because I have
exactly.
seen the students, especially who take biology, they are afraid of the scientific names and all those
Mhm.
things. So, because what happens is, in general, that the teachers or the educators, they give them a list of, say, 100 scientific names, and
Mhm.
you're stressed. You have to mug them up. Instead,
Exactly.
if you do it on a daily basis, like you eat chapati every day. So if you remember the name of wheat, triticum aestivum, you're done with one name. You're going to eat one vegetable every day. Just revise that name. So,
Exactly.
365 days and one name every day, you need only 100. So that is going to make your life so simple.
Yeah, that is what I have been telling to the students also. That matlab, if you have to mug up something, don't do it in a matlab, series. Suppose if you have to learn morphology, do not remember all the examples in one day. Try
Yeah.
splitting it into weeks and autopilot mode पे हो जाएगा. मतलब you don't require certain मतलब so many tricks, so many mnemonics. मतलब I have seen people using a lot of mnemonics also. Then
Uh,
the problem arises that you can get confused which mnemonics to use when. So that is
that's
again
right.
a very big
And then
challenge.
the
Yeah,
focus shifts from understanding to only mnemonics.
mnemonics. Exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
So
So,
yeah,
visual memory, drawing the diagrams, that
exactly.
has to be, followed from day one, so that your understanding is good. And once you're comfortable with the subject, then that fear, that stress goes off.
Exactly. So, guys, you are going to study from the best. I assure you that, and you are going to you will be getting the entire syllabus onto a single platform, and this is will be the first time on YouTube for English speaking students. Not only for biology, for physics and chemistry, we have something amazing planned for you. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to Let's Crack NEET UG English. The link is given in the description. Join the Telegram channel also so that you can get all the PDF notes and mentorship from ma'am. And really, it is going to be a wonderful journey. It's a great gift from an academy to you. So make the best use of it and follow ma'am religiously. I'm telling you with experience. And ma'am, when are you going to start the classes? Then?
I will be having my first special class today at 3 o'clock.
Okay,
So that is going to be
okay.
the first special class.
So guys, we'll put the link of the description of ma'am's special class in the description box. You can enroll to ma'am's special class. Oh, what time is it, ma'am?
It's at 3 to 4 for
3
1
p.
hour class is going
Acha.
to be there today.
It's at 3 p.m. So enjoy the class and do subscribe to Let's Crack NEET UG English and start your journey by learning amazing biology. You don't have to mug up biology. You will be understanding biology. And this is the most important part, understanding the concept. If you see, not knowing a concept is go okay. Knowing the wrong concept is even worse. So you will be getting here precise to the point information on this channel. So please do subscribe and enjoy. Also, if you have any message for ma'am or if you had studied from ma'am earlier, so do share your journey in the comment section. We would love to read your comments. And if you have any suggestions also, so we would love to address to that also. Thank you so much, ma'am, for for giving
Thank
me.
you, Anand. Thank you for all the good words. And I hope the students also get benefited out of my lectures.
Yeah, definitely they will. If they follow you religiously, matlab, there is no looking back for them. Thank you so much, ma'am. Take care and
Thank you.
have a
So
great journey at an academy.